you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you.
Good morning, my TS fan. Back with another vlog. So this morning I'm finna get dressed so I could pick up Bay for work. And then we're going, I think, crabbing and fishing today. But I'm peek out there. Bye. Okay, guys, I just got to Bay's job. Just ready on him to clock out. I think he said he got a little bit more to do. And then he'd be done for the rest of the day. And I cannot wait to go fishing. But if the fish spot we going to, it like less than 8 minutes from his job. But hold up, I'm finna show you what I got. I got the chicken on top of the hood, y'all, so you still can get marinated a little bit and stuff. We'll pick you up when we get there. My house in Bay's Yard is like 40 minutes away. How the heck I forgot the goddamn crowd net? Trying to rush out the goddamn house, y'all. Damn it, man. I think it's an Ace Hardwood store around here. So I might go there before I go home, see if I can find a cheap crab net. Damn it. Trying to pick him up early. This the heck I get. Trying to rush. I got my fish poles. I got the cooler. I got the chicken. But forgot the goddamn crab net. How the hell? Damn it, man. So, guys, I don't know what to do. I might come back. I don't know yet. And I like go crabbing. But every time I go crabbing, I always get like at least a half a dozen. Damn it, man, y'all. Damn it. How the hell? I'll be back. Okay, guys. We got the crab net. So we're gonna go fishing. But first we go fishing. We want to Dollar Tree get some snipes. So we can snipe on stuff. Let's see. Think bake outside, y'all. I don't think so. False alarm, y'all. I got one crying out right here, y'all. Let's check on the other one. Huh? It's so pretty out here. It's so pretty out here, y'all. I'm gonna show what the other crying at is, y'all. You got the other crying out right here. We ain't not having no luck, y'all. Like, I need to go back to my other spot, y'all. Like, nothing is hitting. Let's see what husband got, y'all.
See where I hit it
This the third time my baby did this. It biting, y'all, but it ain't holding on. They said 3 times strong, right? So let's get it. Gotta be here since, I think, 3 o'clock. Okay.
That's why I said that.
Okay, we here since 3. It's like 8 o'clock, so we been here like 5 hours. And we ain't got nothing. But tomorrow we'll go to another spot. This time I'm gonna leave everything in the car so I don't forget nothing when I pick them up for work. Okay, I do want to go on my spot tomorrow. Tomorrow I meant. But we get home, take me a bath, drink me some wine, trying to sit here and drive. I guess not.